This is Workersbee Type 2 to Type 2 EV charging cable. This cable is used to charge electric vehicles with Type 2 or CCS2 inlet sockets. This end is a female Type 2 plug that links to the car. This is a Type 2 male plug that links to the EV charger for power supply, and it also serves as a BYO cable in the car. We have obtained CE, TUV, UKCA, and CB certificates for this cable. Workersbee uses premium TPU cable, which is lightweight and flexible. With Workersbee EV connectors, this cable is easy to hold, plug in, and plug off. Depending on the onboard charger, the current of this cable can be up to 32 amperes three-phase, offering a max power of 22 kilowatts per hour. Workersbee has been providing OEM and ODM services for our customers for over 15 years. In front of me is a green cable with white EV connectors. The EV connectors can also be black, and the cable can be of a different color like black, orange, or green. Also, you can customize the material of the cable jacket from TPU into TPE or even PVC. The cable is 5 meters long, but it can also be 7 meters or even 10 meters long. And you can put your logo right on the device.